To create a Capital One bank account from Pakistan, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine if you are eligible to open a Capital One account, as they have specific requirements and restrictions for international applicants. You will need to have a valid U.S. address, a U.S. Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and a U.S. phone number. If you do not have these, you may need to explore alternative banking options. If you are eligible, start by visiting the Capital One website and navigating to the account opening page. Choose the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account, and click on the Apply Now button. You will be asked to provide personal and financial information, including your name, date of birth, address, and employment details. You will also need to provide your U.S. Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Once you have completed the application, review and submit it, you may need to upload additional documentation, such as a copy of your passport or national ID card. After submitting your application, wait for a response from Capital One. This may take several days or weeks, depending on the complexity of your application. If your application is approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to fund and activate your account. To fund your account, you can use a wire transfer or other approved payment methods. Be aware that there may be fees associated with international transactions, so be sure to review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Finally, once your account is funded and activated, you can start using it to manage your finances. You can access your account online or through the Capital One mobile app. And you can use your debit card to make purchases or withdraw cash. Throughout the process, be sure to follow best practices for security and verification. Keep your account information and login credentials secure, and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent unauthorized transactions.